Is Made in America making a comeback? Well, with a potential CapEx boom on the horizon, it could be. Take a look at this chart, which shows capital expenditures as a percent of GDP. Now, as you can see, CapEx hit a 60-year low in 2021, but now it's turning a corner with more than $1.4 trillion of infrastructure spending and other fiscal stimulus planned for the rest of this decade. The recent trend of reshoring supply chains could also bring manufacturing back to the U.S. Companies like General Motors, Intel, and U.S. Steel are building new factories here. And it's not just U.S. companies that are getting on board. TSMC, for example, is building a semiconductor production plant in Arizona. And Hyundai is breaking ground in the great state of Georgia, just to name two. So what's the bottom line? Well, a wave of fiscal stimulus could support years of CapEx spending. And winners could include construction, factory automation, and materials companies. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and thanks for watching.